Hi everyone, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of February. If you'd like to see what that is and what I received, stay tuned. Now, before I even begin, I would like to take one moment to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos and shopping hauls. That's what I enjoy doing on my channel. Just click on that little subscribe button and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, this is your Mint Mongoose, and for those of you who don't know what Mint Mongoose is, it is a monthly jewelry subscription service. It is $15.99 a month. It might be $16.99 a month. I will leave all the information in the description box along with the link to the website if you're interested in trying this out. But you get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to your house every month. You can pick between silver, gold, and rose gold, or they have the option of surprise me. Now, last month someone asked me a very good question, and they said, do you have to get earrings if you don't have pierced ears? And the answer, I looked it up, you do not have to get earrings if you do not want earrings. They have the option where you can say no earrings. So I thought that was a very good question, and I wanted to include this in the video. Now, she always gives you a little postcard. Her name is Helena, and this month's, wait a minute. This month's inspiration, she always has an inspiration. It just says, hi there. This month's set is inspired by the words, beauty in the process. Okay. Okay, here's the 3 pieces of jewelry this month. And it looks like this month we get a ring. We don't get a ring every single month. So since that's easiest to get into, let's go ahead and put this on. It is an adjustable ring. I have had rings from her before and I do enjoy them. Let's see, let's put it on that finger. And it's just like a simple braided silver ring. What else can I say? You guys can see that pretty close. And it is adjustable. You know what? I think I'm going to put it on my thumb because I've been wanting a thumb ring. Yeah, I like it on my thumb. So that's where I'm going to wear it. Okay, let's bring out the next piece. It looks like a necklace. Okay, so here is the necklace on. It's very nice and simple bar necklace. And has like a little marbling design, so that's cute. And then we have the earrings. And the earrings look the same. They're like a bar design. That is what it looks like. Just a nice simple bar. So let me go ahead and pop these in. So this is a pretty simple set this month. I like it. I'll wear it definitely. I think it's very pretty. I always enjoy my Mint Mongoose. Now, I did go ahead because she also started including t-shirts in her subscription service. So I did go ahead and I did order a t-shirt. Is it going to get here in time for me to go ahead and add it onto this video? If it comes in the mail today, I'm going to go ahead and I will add it on to the end of this video. But it's probably going to be a separate video because she didn't give me any tracking information and I don't even know where it is. But if you would like to try Mint Mongoose, like I said, it's down in the description box, all the information. And yeah, this was a short and sweet video and I hope you guys are having a lovely day. It is a beautiful, it's cold, but the sun is shining. I have the window open right now and it just feels lovely. I just love looking outside and seeing nice blue skies. It's been a weather. It's been a weather. It's been a winter. Ugh. I hope everyone's doing good out there and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.